Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, As-salatu was-salam ala Rasulihil Kareem. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Ameen. In this video, we are going to learn two negating sentence templates. And what kind of sentence? Sentences which have kana wa akhwatuha. Because from lesson 52, we are covering different topics of sentences with kana and its sisters. So this lesson is lesson 54, part 2, and you're going to learn two templates for negating sentences with kana. So let's do the first one. The first template is, hold on. This one, yes. First template is, it's like this. Ma kana li, someone, on something. So if you put either X, ma kana li X, to on Y. Or you can say the template is like this, the ma kana li someone on something, to do something. So this template actually ma kana li someone. So someone can be who, huma, whom, hiya, hunna. So ma kana lahum, or ma kana lahu, or ma kana laha, then an, and then you have after an you have present tense. So the template translates like this. It is not appropriate for someone to do something. Okay, someone to do something. Okay, so the template has negation. It starts with ma. It has kana as fi'l naqis, and then it has harf jar, li. So ma kana li, and then comes either a pronoun or a proper noun. After li, you can have a pronoun like huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, and sorry, hu, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna. Not independent, because after li, after harf jar, you have attached pronoun. So hu, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna. So you can have, after li, you can have a pronoun, and then or a proper noun, proper name of someone. So ma kana li someone, and then an, and after an you have fe'l mudare, present tense, and present tense in the light form. In the light form, because an is a harf that makes the present tense light. So after an, you have a present tense light form. So for example, ma kana lahum, it was not appropriate for them. Okay, ma kana lahum, it is not appropriate for them an yadkhuluha, to enter it. It may be a city or some place, right? So an yadkhuluha. And yadkhulu is light form. Yadkhuluna is regular form. Yadkhulu is light mansub form of present tense. Okay. Then let's do it with examples. Some examples. Like ma kana lahu, it is not appropriate. It is not appropriate for him to teach. It is not appropriate for him to teach. Then ma kana lahu an yakhruja. It was not appropriate for him to leave. Then an yakhruja, you can see that after an it is light form, yakhruja. And ma kana li ahmada, it was not appropriate for Ahmad. Over here it is written him, it is Ahmad. It was not appropriate for Ahmad to trade or to sell something, right? So you can add qabla al-juma, so ma kana li ahmada an yabiya qabla salat al-juma, right? So before Juma prayer, it was not appropriate for Ahmad to trade. Okay, so these are some examples, and that's how you are going to see this pattern in Quran. So this is the pattern with kana sentence for negation. Okay, then going to the next one, which is the second template or second template for a negating sentence. This template again has ma kana, and then usually in the first blank, usually a proper name comes. Okay, here usually a proper name comes. So ma kana, someone, li, something. Okay, ma kana with after kana you have a proper name, and then after li you have a fail mudari. But and from this example you can see that ma kana, Allahu isme jalala, proper name. And yes, before we go to this example, this template translates how this template translates someone would not be one to do something. Okay, someone would not be one to do something. So in this example, ma kana Allahu, Allah would not be one li yu'azzibahum, to punish them, li yu'azzibahum, ma kana Allahu li yu'azzibahum, Allah would not be one to punish them. Okay, if you translate just this sentence, ma kana Allahu li yu'azzibahum, Allah would not be one to punish them, and then you have waw halia, and then wa anta fihim is hal for yu'azziba. Okay, ma kana Allahu liyu'azzibahum wa anta fihim. Allah would not be one to punish them while you are among them. So this is the second template, and in this second template you again have ma kana, then a proper name, and then li plus present tense regular form. Okay, and the translation is someone would not be one to do something. Okay. Let me first erase all these and then go to the next one. Okay, so this, because with lesson 54 part 2, we are almost alhamdulillah, we are almost done with the kana, this big topic of kana wa akhwatuha. So this is the summary of the lesson. Like you learn that if ma zala la yazalu is there with mudare, then you will translate he is still doing something. Mudare, if mudare is yaftahu, he is still opening. Okay, so ma zala la yazalu plus fi'l mudare would translate like someone is still doing something. Then kana plus mudare, you already learned that with kana, if you have a present tense form, then it will translate as he used to do something. Okay, he used to do something. Then asbaha plus mudare, he started doing something. He started doing something. And then madama plus mudare, he remained doing something. And then Laisa is again, Laisa is in past tense, but it translates like present tense. So he does not do something. Laisa plus mudare. Laisa yasma'u, he doesn't listen. Then Zalla plus mudare, he kept on doing something. He kept on doing something. Okay. Then in I think 53 part 2, you learn how to negate kana sentences. And if the meaning of the sentence is in past tense, then you have two way you can make negative sentences. And one way is ma plus kana, ma plus past form of kana, or you can use lam with mudare majzoom, like ma kana or lam yakun, lam takun, lam nakun, right? So you have ma kana or lam yakun to negate in when the meaning of the sentence is in past tense. If your sentence has a meaning of present tense, then you again have two options, either ma yakunu or la yakunu, ma yakunu or la yakunu. La yakunu can be future also sometimes. So but it can be present also. So la yakunu, ma yakunu for present tense, and then if your sentence has a meaning in future, then it is lan plus mudare mansoob, lan plus present tense light form. Okay, so this is the these are the pattern. These are the negating sentences with kana you learned in previous lesson, and in today's lesson you learned two templates: ma kana li, any pronoun or proper noun, and then un plus present tense light. So this template has a meaning of it was not appropriate for someone to do something. Okay, it was not appropriate for someone to do something. And then the second template you learned today is ma kana. Then you have a proper noun, and then li with any fail. Over here, fail mudare mansoob, liyu'azziba. Again, fail mudare mansoob. Yes, again, fail mudare mansoob. It was not, and the meaning is someone would not be one to do something. Someone would not be one to do something. Okay, so these were the two templates you learned today. If you have question, you can ask me in the live session, live interactive session, inshallah. And this is the exercise we are going to do. I have another exercise that inshallah you are going to do. You are going to take one particular combination like kana plus mudare, and then in place of mudare you are going to use different fail. Kana yaftahu, kana yabda'u, kana yansahu, like that. Okay. So inshallah we are going to do this exercise in the live session. So here our session for today concludes. Let's make dua. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.